Anyone that's watching this video, this is Taco5698. Yeah, right now we're in like huge thunderstorm. Look, like they're like huge spots of rain. As you can see, the clouds are like swelling up. Yeah.
Turning and boiling and like striking against each other.
Yeah, right now I'm with my sister and dad, and we're like driving in the middle of a thunderstorm. As you can see, it's like, see, look at this huge cloud. It's like practically dark. I don't know if there's just gonna be such a hurricane or not.
Coming into this. Oh, it's real dark here. There's a car coming.
It is dark here.
They're trying to get out. The trees are falling in front of us.
Gosh,
The limbs are whipping around. And leaves are flying everywhere.
oh look, we're going out. Well, yeah, so we're in one quiet thunderstorm. Oh, crap. It's raining pretty bad. So yeah, I'll probably make another video if I'm like outside or not. Yeah. See ya.